Innocent Chukwuma of Innocent Motors, Cosmas Madoka of Coscharis, Cletus Ibeto of Ibeto Groups, Obi Kubana of Kubana Group, Joseph Ezokafo of Jesco Oil, and many others. Do you know what these successful men have in common? They all came through the Igbo apprenticeship system, Igba boy. This system has been around for generations, but it became more serious after the Nigerian Civil War in 1970. When the Igbo people had lost everything and had to rebuild their lives from almost nothing. There was no access to banks, loans. They had to rely on trust, mentorship, and community to start new businesses from the scratch. In case you don't know how this system works, young boys are placed under successful traders to learn everything about the business world. Hard work, negotiation, loyalty, and survival. No salary, just pure hands-on training and life lessons. And after years of service, the boss settles them by giving them cash, goods, or even a full shop to start their own business. See, this is not just mentorship. It's not even sales boy and sales girl. This is real empowerment, and it has quietly produced some of Nigeria's biggest entrepreneurs.
As a direct result, on festive occasions, all those people who have become very successful after their apprenticeship decide to honor their master.
The Igbo apprenticeship system teaches us one simple but powerful truth. If you build people, you build wealth that lasts generations. But I'm thinking out loud, do we really still value and practice this system?